There is the kayak loop.
Ah, okay. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Can I
Yes,
go?
yes, you can.
It's beautiful.
Okay, we will see 3 villas.
Sí.
This is the first. Open all windows. Okay, this is the main with walk-in closet and full bath.
Wow, so all this back here was added.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's huge.
You can This is the clubhouse.
Okay.
The main tower with all common areas.
Okay. Oh, gym, yoga.
Okay. Hola, buen día.
Buen día.
We have 2 free beds and meeting room. One meeting room. All have Wi-Fi. And then we have cafe internet. You can make a home, and it's not necessary to reserve. And for there is the yoga room. This style. This is my home.
Let's take a quick drive through the neighborhood. Ciudad Mayakoba is the largest and most thoughtfully planned community in the area, hands down. It's designed to keep you close to nature without feeling isolated. There's tons of green space, wildlife, and 27 kilometers of walking and biking trails. If you're active, there's also a basketball court and soccer field. It's really dog friendly. If you live here, you know your dog will get invited to more birthday parties than you will. All the trails, parks, and even the cafes welcome pets. Security is tight with double controlled access at the main gate and again at each residential area. Even the amenities we just saw at Lagunas have controlled access. Each community within Mayakoba has its own unique style, but they all follow the same smart design. There's an abundance of convenience stores like OXXO and 7-Eleven. There's a few restaurants, a cafe, a vet, dog groomer, hair salons, I think, and a big commercial zone is being planned out front along the highway. A big box store has been confirmed. I've heard rumors of Costco, but nobody knows. What really sets Mayakoba apart, though, is its private infrastructure, because nothing says living the dream like having power that stays on and working sewers. There's a full recycling program, trash and dog waste bins along the trails, and bus stops already built. The shuttle's not running yet, but it's all set up. There's a real community vibe too. In evenings, you'll see people and families out walking. The parks are lit up beautifully. And there's weekend events like food fairs, night markets, and outdoor movies for the kids. A medical center is under construction as well, and several schools are already open with more on the way. If this sounds like your thing, give me a call. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more Riviera Maya lifestyle and home tours. See you next time.